Teacher Jamie here. Today we are going to learn how to make ginger shots to keep our voices in tip-top shape. We're teaching all of those back-to-back English classes. Let's go!
Some things you will need are a jar, measuring spoons, containers, hot water, honey, cayenne pepper, ginger, and orange juice. In your jar, we are going to combine 1 teaspoon of honey. Using the same teaspoon, squirt 1 teaspoon of ginger into your container. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to the mixture. Next, grab your hot water. Be careful, this is hot. And we are going to add 2 or 3 tablespoons of hot water to the mixture. Then you're going to give your mixture a nice little stir and let it cool. See you in a moment and we will add the final ingredient. And we're back. Now that our jar is cool to the touch, it's time to add the mixture into our containers. I got these containers at Target and I'm just going to be reusing them. They have a nice little line right here that I like to use to measure it with. But if you don't have this container, it's about a tablespoon of the mixture per container. Go ahead and fill all of your containers with the desired amount of mixture. Usually it fills between 3 and 4 containers. Any leftovers, I just drop it in to each container. Now add our final ingredient, the orange juice. Fill the remaining part of the container with orange juice. If you're not using these containers, it's about 35 milliliters. Put the top on and place in the fridge. And there you have it. DIY ginger shots to keep your voice in tip-top shape.